hello, dear customers. You know, my name is Muna. I think you know me. My name is Muna from Muna's Ethiopian Cuisine. The head chef, Muna. Okay? So today, for Friday night, chickpeas. That's really nice for vegan, gluten-free people. Chickpeas. Kick alija, an Ethiopia word. Kick alija. This one is awaze peps. Awaze peps. Look, lamb with lots of veggie. Okay? And another one, doro what? Doro what? Do you see that? Fresh, everything fresh. This one. Beef stew. Yebere kayuot. Yebere kayuot. This one is in Ethiopian culture. Ethiopian traditional chicken stew. Doro what? Look at doro what? This is for everybody, guys. For my friends today, for tonight. This one is a lamb. That's yebek tips. Awazi yebek tips. Kekalicha. Guys, tonight, ready everything. Another dishes, cabbages, shirowet, lentil, brown lentil, and beetroot. Everything, etc. Whatever etc. Available from Muna's Ethiopian Cuisine. Book a table. Remember, guys, book a table from open table. Please, guys, let's work for me. I'll see you tonight in a party. Yeah. Okay.